Love fresh air, like to garden, don't have much space? That's okay. Vertical gardens are the answer. Big or small, inside or out, anyone can grow a vertical garden. These gardens are perfect for city folks. They turn unused walls into green spaces. Imagine fresh herbs right outside your kitchen. No yard? No problem. Vertical gardens fit on balconies, patios, even inside your home. Ready to get started? Let's build your own vertical oasis. Why go vertical? Let's count the ways. Save space. Perfect for small apartments or patios. Easy access. Plants are at eye level, making tending simpler. Better growth. Some plants actually thrive vertically. Cleaner air. Plants naturally filter the air we breathe. Aesthetics. Green walls add beauty and style to any space. Vertical gardens are good for you and good for the planet. It's a win-win. Ready to get your hands dirty? Here's what you'll need to start your very own vertical garden. It's a fun and rewarding project that can transform any small space into a lush green oasis. First, you'll need a structure. This could be a trellis, pallets, shelves, or even recycled plastic bottles. The structure is the backbone of your vertical garden, providing support for your plants and maximizing your growing space. You can get creative with this, using materials you already have at home or purchasing something new. Next, you'll need a planting medium. Choose soil specifically designed for vertical gardens or container gardening. This type of soil is formulated to retain moisture while providing excellent drainage, which is crucial for the health of your plants. You might also consider adding some compost or organic matter to enrich the soil. Now let's talk about plants. Start with easy-to-grow varieties like herbs, succulents, or ferns. These plants are hardy and require minimal maintenance, making them perfect for beginners. You can also mix and match different types of plants to create a visually appealing and diverse garden. Visit your local garden center to find the best options for your climate and space. A good watering system is essential for keeping your vertical garden thriving. A watering can with a long spout allows you to reach higher plants easily, while a drip irrigation system can automate the process and ensure consistent watering. This is especially useful if you have a busy schedule or plan to be away from home for extended periods. Don't forget the basic tools. A hand trowel, pruning shears, and gardening gloves will come in handy for planting, pruning, and maintaining your garden. These tools make the gardening process more efficient and enjoyable, allowing you to focus on nurturing your plants. Got everything? Great. Now let's get building. Assemble your structure, fill it with soil, and start planting. With a little care and attention, your vertical garden will flourish, providing you with fresh herbs, beautiful flowers, and a sense of accomplishment. Happy gardening. Time to create your own vertical garden. Imagine transforming a plain wall into a lush green oasis. It's not just a garden, it's a statement piece that brings nature closer to your living space. It's easier than you think. Choose your spot carefully. Whether it's a sunny balcony, a small garden corner, or even an indoor space with ample light, the right location is key to your garden's success. Pick a location with enough sunlight for your chosen plants. Most plants need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily, so observe your space at different times of the day to ensure it gets adequate light. Prepare the structure. Clean and treat your chosen structure to prevent rot or damage. Wooden pallets are a popular choice, but you can also use metal frames or plastic containers. Treating the wood with a preservative will extend its life and keep it looking good. Install a liner. This will protect your wall and prevent water damage. A liner acts as a barrier, keeping moisture where it belongs and protecting your structure. Use plastic sheeting or landscaping fabric. Use plastic sheeting or landscaping fabric. These materials are essential for maintaining the integrity of your vertical garden. They help retain soil and moisture while allowing excess water to drain away. Add the planting medium, fill your containers or pockets with soil, leaving some space at the top. Choose a high-quality potting mix that provides good drainage and nutrients. You can also mix in compost to enrich the soil. Plant your greens. Gently remove plants from their pots and place them in their new home. Be careful not to damage the roots. Arrange them in a way that maximizes space and light exposure. Water thoroughly. Give your plants a good soak, ensuring the water reaches the roots. Consistent watering is crucial, especially in the early stages. Consider installing a drip irrigation system for even moisture distribution. Congratulations, you've built your own vertical garden. Now watch it grow. Over time, you'll see your plants thrive and fill out, creating a beautiful living tapestry. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and the touch of nature it brings to your space. Section 5. Pick your green team plants perfect for vertical gardens. Vertical gardens are a fantastic way to maximize space and bring greenery into your home, even if you have limited ground area. They can transform any wall into a lush, vibrant oasis. Not all plants like to climb, some prefer to spread out horizontally, but there are many that thrive when given the chance to grow upwards. Here are some vertical garden superstars. These plants not only adapt well to vertical spaces, but also bring beauty and functionality to your garden. Herbs, basil, mint, thyme, and oregano are excellent choices. They not only grow well vertically, but also provide fresh flavors for your kitchen. And oregano love to grow up, succulents, low maintenance, and drought tolerant, perfect for beginners. These hardy plants come in a variety of shapes and colors, adding visual interest to your garden. Ferns thrive in shady spots. They are perfect for adding a touch of lush greenery to areas that don't get much sunlight, and add a touch of the tropics. Strawberries. These cascading beauties are not only delicious but also visually appealing, are perfect for hanging planters. Imagine picking fresh strawberries right from your wall. Lettuce and greens. Enjoy fresh salads year-round with a vertical veggie patch. Growing your own greens ensures you have the freshest ingredients for your meals. With a vertical veggie patch, experiment and have fun. Try different combinations of plants to see what works best in your space. Your vertical garden is your canvas. Let your creativity flow and design a garden that reflects your personal style. Whether you're growing herbs, vegetables, or ornamental plants, the possibilities are endless. Happy gardening! Section 6. Less space, more green. The big impact of vertical gardens. Don't underestimate the power of plants, even in small spaces. Vertical gardens bring life to your home and neighborhood. They create calm, reduce stress, and even improve focus. Plus, they're a great way to connect with nature, even in the city. Whether it's a few herbs on your windowsill or a green wall on your balcony, every little bit helps. Start small, dream big, and enjoy the journey. Section 7. Vertical vegetables, fresh food from your wall. Think vertical gardens are just for flowers? Think again. You can grow delicious, fresh veggies too. Tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers climb high, making the most of your space. Leafy greens like lettuce and spinach thrive in vertical setups. Even strawberries enjoy dangling from hanging planters. Imagine harvesting your own salad straight from your wall. Talk about fresh and local. Section 8. Troubleshooting your vertical garden. Every garden has its quirks. Here are some common vertical garden hiccups and how to fix them. Plants are wilting. Check the soil moisture. Vertical gardens dry out faster, so water more frequently. Yellowing leaves could be overwatering or nutrient deficiency. Adjust watering and use fertilizer. Pests. Identify the culprits and use natural pest control methods like neem oil or insecticidal soap. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your plants. Section 9. DIY vertical garden on a budget. Going green doesn't have to break the bank. Get creative with upcycled materials. Discarded pallets can be transformed into rustic vertical planters. Cut and hang them to create a unique and eco-friendly garden. Over-the-door shoe organizers work surprisingly well for small plants and herbs. Clean and decorate used cans to create a charming and rustic look. Let your imagination run wild and create a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Section 10. Vertical gardening for apartments and balconies. No yard, no problem. Vertical gardens are perfect for apartment dwellers and balcony gardeners. Choose compact varieties that won't outgrow their space. Securely fasten your structure to walls or railings. Consider wind conditions if you're on a high floor. Even a small balcony can become a green oasis with a little creativity. Section 11. Get growing, your vertical adventure awaits. So there you have it. Vertical gardening is a fun, rewarding way to bring nature indoors and out. It's perfect for small spaces, easy to maintain, and good for the environment. What are you waiting for? Grab your gloves, pick your plants, and start building your own vertical masterpiece.